Welcome back to MilesTech YouTube channel. So what if I told you that you can create or log in to a Telegram account without paying SMS verification fees in some regions? In this tutorial, I'll show you the safe methods people use to bypass the Telegram SMS fee and still access their account easily. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to a friend. If you get any problem, let us meet in the comment section. I'm going to be helping you guys. So, like the video, subscribe, let us continue. So, Telegram normally sends a verification SMS when creating or logging into an account. However, in some countries or networks, users may encounter SMS charges or delays. In this video, I'll show you practical ways to access Telegram without being charged for SMS verification. So step 1, let us open Google Play Store. We're going to open Google Play Store and search. Go ahead, search from and then search Telegram application. If you haven't yet installed this application in your Android device, iPhone, install this application, and after installing this application in your Android device, uninstall it. But first install this application, then uninstall it. Then after, you're going to go back to the home screen, or you're going to go back to the starting dashboard of our Google Play Store, and then you're going to come right here where you have your profile. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video. I'm going to come where I have the Play Protect. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. So I'm going to come at the gear icon of that one in the Play Protect, and then I'm going to turn off this, and then I turn off this. Turn off, and then you're going to put in your password, and then you turn off Google Play Protect. Let us head over to our home screen. We're going to open Google Chrome, and then after opening Google Chrome, you're going to come where we search from, and then you're going to search Telegram, and then you're going to add up to down. We're going to choose the first one in the results, and then we're going to wait for a few seconds. Then I'm going to come trying to scroll down a little bit, and then I'm going to choose older versions right here. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I'm going to come where I have see more right here. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and I'll choose a version, this one, from March 2025. Then after, I'm going to scroll down. I'm looking for where I can install this one. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to a friend. Download this, and then wait for a few seconds for the download to complete. Make sure that you have an active data bundle to download this one of about 80 MBs. 80 MBs. So download anyway, and then let us see the details. I'll pause the video for a moment until the download is complete. So guys, the download is about to complete. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share it to your friend. We are about to complete our download, and then you're going to be installing this application in our Android device. After the download has been completed, install this application and wait for a few seconds for this application to be installed in your mobile device. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. If you get any problem, I'm going to be available in the comment section 24/7, helping you guys. I'm just from replying one comment right here. Let me show you the comment I'm replying. I thought it's still there, but it was there up in my notification. So after installing this application, open this application. This is how you're going to do it right now. So don't tamper with anything. Put on the dark theme to protect your eyes from the intense light. So now let us head over to Google Chrome again, and then you're going to search. Where we search from? Search MT proxy, and then search that stuff, MT proxy. Then you choose the first in your results, this one, and then after we're going to come where we have list right here. Then you're going to wait for this page to load, and then you're going to look for that one that starts with 146. You can come where I have more, and then you're going to, this is what I was looking for, 146.103. Maybe it's not that one. I have another one, 146.1. It is not that one. I'm going to be showing it to you. The proxy you're going to be looking for, it is 146. Let me show it to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Sorry. It can't be that far. Let me first reload the page. Don't forget to subscribe. So the proxy is right here. Then connect to this proxy. Then after, go back to your Google Chrome. We're going to look for one. You're going to connect. Look for any proxy from your country. I'm going to try this one. Let me head over to my Chrome. I want that one for Vodafone. And then I'll also be connecting to the DNS render, this one. This one. Connect. I'll also connect to that one. That's we have also this one. Connect. Then I'm going to, I hope you're noting what I'm connecting to. let me show you another proxy we are going to be connecting to. We have this one, connect. And then the last one is right here, down for Vodafone. Then connect. And then after, you're going to head over to our home screen, and then we'll look for the Telegram application. This one. And then we open this application. Let us go back, now let us come, we have start messaging. Then continue, allow. Now enter your credentials. Keep in mind that these credentials are so secret. Do not enter them when everyone is seeing. So check yes, continue. And then for security purposes, let us continue. So this is a disclaimer. This tutorial is for informational and educational purposes only. Users are requested to comply with the local laws, follow internet service providers' terms and conditions. So let us wait for a few seconds. So we are going to be choosing. Let me try to enter another mobile number, because that one is already registered Telegram. You're going to try to enter another mobile number and then choose the Google method. Hope you'll be seeing the Google method. You'll be connecting successfully, because right now I don't have that number, but try to choose another number. You'll be connected successfully. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friend. For the interest of time, I sign out.